Welcome, in front of me say CAT S42, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. And to get started, you want to pop out the tray that is right here on the upper left side of the phone. Now it is toolless, but my fingernails, I don't think, oh never mind, were long enough to grab the tray. As you can see, it does have like a fingernail place where you can just, when it's in there, you can try to grab it and get it out, like so. So once you pull out the tray, you will have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So each of the tray is just simply dedicated to the card, single one. So you can place your SD card right here where it's supposed to be, and then either 1 or 2 SIM cards next to it. From there, carefully insert it back into the device. There's not really anything holding those cards in place, so they could fall out. There we go. And once you pop it in, close the cover, and you can see that SIM card is already working. It's asking me to insert a pin for it, so I'm just gonna quickly do that to unlock it. And let's look for the SD card as well. And there we go, SD card is red as well. So that is how you'd insert SIM and SD card into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.